All right, so we have our Kickstarter here of Ludos, Volume 1. I didn't realize it was Volume 1. With 4 ancient games. We've got Asami Shogi from Japan, Jarmo from Mongolia, Bak Chal from Nepal, and Ute from Korea. I think Asami Shogi, I thought Shogi was his Japanese chess. Anyway, I'd forgotten that I backed this Kickstarter. And the box is really cool. So each game is in its own section, and then each game box. Oh, look at that. Oh, and the board is cloth. All right, so this looks like it's just shogi. I'm not sure that's how you pronounce it, but it's just Japanese, what they call Japanese chess. So I've got a shogi set in the other room. I bet you it's much simplified because the shogi set that I have is actually different symbols in Japanese. Oh, that's very cool. A little instruction book. On playing the game. Yeah, it looks like all of the pieces are the same, which is not the case in the shogi sets. I can't say that word. In the sets that I have of what I believe is the actual game. But this is really beautiful. You know, all these back where they came from. And I must have added some, or these might be free expansion. No, they're not expansions. Stretch goals. So 7 unique tokens for the games, for all of the games. Another 8 tokens for all of the games. And another 7 tokens for all the games. So I haven't opened these yet. I'm not going to do that just yet. But it feels like there's some wood tokens in there. There may not be an expansion per se, but that's very pretty. So I want to thank the folks at Ludos for a really, really nice presentation for their Kickstarter. That box is wonderful. Anyway, that's Ludos.